Hi, my microwave/oven has stopped and I found that the wire touching the thermal cutoff has burnt, but there was continuity in the thermal cutoff. I removed the burnt plastic from the wire and put new tape and it worked again, but now it stopped again and wire burnt again and now the thermal cutoff is loose, having sometimes continuity. My question is, why does the wire burn in the first place, and if it's sufficient to replace the thermal cutoff?
Hello, thank you for using this service. I will be helping you with your problem today. Was the wire completely burnt off the connector?
I don't exactly understand the question. About 1 inch was burnt where it connects to the thermal protector.
Okay, sorry. What I'm trying to find out is, was the wire just melted or did it completely disconnect from the thermal cutoff? If it's melting the wire, the transformer is overheating.
It melted up to a point that there was no continuity in the wire until I removed the plastic pieces.
Okay, do you have enough room to cut the wire back and put a new connector on it? They sell connectors at any hardware store. You need to get rid of the bad wire on that.
I can cut off the bad wire and connect a new piece of wire with a connector. And I forgot to mention that this is a microwave plus oven, not only microwave.
You can, if you use the same gauge wire and a solid connector. When you go to get the new connector, bring a piece of the wire with you. Also see if you can read what gauge wire it is on the side of the wire. It's usually printed on the plastic.
Okay, once this is done, and I will also replace the thermal protector, I believe it will work, but why you said if it's melting the wire the transformer is overheating. So do I have to replace transformer? I don't know how it looks and if it pays.
Well, that could be causing the wire to overheat, but sometimes just age can make the wire weak or a power spike. I would try replacing the wire first and see what happens. I thought you said the thermal cutoff was good? Is it still good?
Now the metal connector is loose, so I ordered a new one online. Do I have to complete the answer now, or I can wait till I complete the fixing so if I have questions I can ask?
Accepting my answer doesn't close the question. It still remains open and you can come back if you need more info at no additional charge. Let me know how it works. Thanks, Bryan.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/ythi.